Hello, 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 hello. Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to the Mercury Virtual. Hope you are doing good. Today I'm going to continue with your module, that is Procedural Programming module. In the last class we have discussed about the chapter number 12, that is file input output. We have discussed some part of the file input output. In the today's class we have continued with the chapter number 12, that is file input output. So let's discuss what we have covered in the last class and then move to the next part, that is today's topic, that is continuation of the chapter number 12. That is the input output in files. That is how to gain the input output in files. So in the last class we have discussed, or we have started with the chapter number 12, that is the file input output. In this there are multiple topics like data organization, file operation, opening a file, reading a file, troubling in opening a file, closing a file. In the last class we have discussed about this one, data organization, this file opening mode. So we have discussed till here in the last class, that is what is data organization, what are the file operations that is performed on a with the C language, that is what are the operations that we performed on a file, like opening a file, reading a file, troubling in opening a file, closing a file. In the same way, how to count the characters, tabs, spaces. Then file copy program, that is how to copy the program, how to get the file, and how to write the into the file, that is how to write the data into the file. Then file opening modes. So first of all we have discussed about the data organization, that is what is data organization, means how C language organize the data, that is manage the data into the files, that is how the data will be organized on the disk. All the data stored on the disk is in binary form. As I told you, every data that is represented in the C language, that is represented by using, or that is represented using the binary data, that is a binary files. So C program have a library function that is written for a particular operating system, that is to be able to perform input and output. It is a compiler vendor responsibility to correctly implement these library functions by using the, or by taking the help of operating system. That is, it is the duty of the operating system write a program to read a file. Then we have discussed about the basic program, or the main program that is used for the file. The main program in this, we have used the pointer, that is a file pointer, that is a pointer fp. So this file keyword is used, that is file, then there is a pointer, that is fp, then char ch, that is ch is a variable that is of char type. Then open the file, that is done by the fopen. So first of all, any operation is performed, before that there is a requirement to open a file, that is pr1.cr. Then that this means R means this is the mode of the operation, that is mode of the opening a file, that is the read only. This file is opened with the read only mode. Then while one, the while loop will be used, then uses the fgetc function for storing the data into the file, that is the fgetc. Then searching for a file, that if the ch equals to end of the file, that is before reading or writing the data into a file, first of all search that if there is a requirement, or if the end of the file comes, that is ch equals to end of the file. Then there is a break statement, then printf ch, that is the ch will be printed. This is a basic example that we have discussed in the last class. Then fclose, that is closing the function. Then we will discuss how to open a function by using the fopen function, that is the fopen is used to opening a file in the different modes. What are the different modes? One is read, one is write, one is r plus, one is w plus, one is a plus, and one is a, that is append. That means adding the values at the end of the file, that is the a mode. So this is the fopen that is used to opening a file, that is done by using the file command. Then we have discussed how to read the file, that is how to read the data from the file, that is by using the fgetc function. So one is fopen, that is used to open the file, one is fgetc, that is used to got the file, that is used to read the data from the file, that is the fgetc function. And in every case we have to use the pointer. What is the pointer? That is the file pointer, that is fp. So fp is a file pointer that is used to perform various operations like reading, writing, execution, everything, right? So this fgetc reads the character from the current position and advances the pointer position so that it now points to the next character and returns the character that is read. That is, we have used the fgetc function for writing or reading the data from a file. Then uses the while loop, that is the indefinite while loop. Why this is indefinite while loop? Because the in this the condition checked is 1 and 1 is always true. Then this is the indefinite while loop that never terminates